My name is Daria Jackson-Leganier of the New York Power Couple, and what you're looking at right now is the back office of the Infinity Processing System. So I'm going to walk you through what it is that you get at the pro level. Then I'm going to take you over to our Facebook group so you can see all the testimonials and people that are coming in daily and sharing their wins. There's so many new people that have never made money online have had success in this business. So what I'm sharing with you right now is what you would get. So right now you get the six-figure funnel. You also get, well, what do you say when someone asks for your information? Because a lot of times people don't really know what to say. So you're going to learn exactly what to say. You're also going to get mindset training because mainly 90% of this type of work is your mind. You know, you can get all the strategies that you want, but if your mind is not right, you're not going to implement them. So you're going to learn how to have a winning mindset. You're also going to get how to be a master influencer. So you're going to learn all of that. And then this is everybody's favorite because everybody comes right here where you get the 200 pre-written ads and images, so you know exactly what to say and what information to put out there. So I'm going to show you what that looks like because I know everybody's excited about that. So this is what it looks like. You get all of this. Yeah, all of this to promote. So you never look like someone else that's in the industry that's promoting the same thing. So you never look like them, right? So let me scroll up and I'm going to go to some more of the things that that we have. Okay. So you get that. You learn Craigslist marketing, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. You learn how to automate your business with the six-figure system that we have here. And then also here, this is only at the pro level, you get the hotel and restaurant discount voucher. So now what I'm going to do is take you over to our Facebook group. So this is our Facebook group just to show you people that are coming in. Now, when you get to this group, make sure that you send me a message so that you can get into this group, because you need to look at this training that James and Adriana did. James really he took the ball and he ran with it. He has made over $30,000 in the system. So you want to look at this training and see what it is that he is doing. Okay, so here we have a few people that jumped on today, right? And look at this. You know, people are coming in by the droves. And then here you have someone here that's made $150. They're showing that. They're excited. Another one, she made her first $2,000 in 2 weeks. And you see how excited she is. And this is Michelle, right? So let's continue on. People are coming in. I brought in a couple of people. Yeah. I mean, this thing is rocking. This thing is going. This thing is hot, because you don't need to have experience. And then the beauty of this whole thing is you do not have to worry about monthly fees. You pay once for the area not the area, but the package that you want. And that's it. You follow the blueprint and then that's it. You do what you need to do and you win. That's it. So if this is something that you want to know more about, you would like to come and win with us, just hit the link below and you'll have access to all the packages. You'll know exactly what you're getting. Pick a package. Join us. I'll put you in the group. You'll also be invited into our training group so that you will know exactly what you need to do to win with this opportunity. So this is Daria Jackson-Leganier signing off, and I will see you in the next video. Have an amazing day.